Resumes can lie. Interviews can mislead. But skills, they don't lie. That's why TestnHire exists, to give you clarity in hiring. With 400+ ready-to-use tests, bulk invites, and instant results, you can evaluate true abilities in minutes. It's faster, smarter, and completely data-driven, so you hire the right person every time without guesswork. Now, let us give you a quick walkthrough. Once you log in, the very first thing you'll see is your dashboard, a clean visual snapshot of all your hiring activity. At a glance, you can track how many tests you've created, how many invitations you've sent, and how many candidates have completed them. Everything is displayed with clear, color-coded graphs and easy-to-read stats, so you instantly know where your hiring stands. On the dashboard, you get a comprehensive overview of your hiring activity at a glance. Key metrics such as tests created, invitations sent, tests completed, and job posts are displayed prominently, giving you quick insights into your recruitment workflow. You'll also find a candidate status graph, which visually tracks candidates who have started, completed, or been disqualified. This data can be filtered by assessment or date to focus on specific tests or time periods. In addition, the hiring status graph shows a comparison between invites sent versus hires made, helping you identify gaps in your recruitment process. Like the candidate graph, this can also be filtered by assessment or date, giving you actionable insights at a glance. Finally, the Invites Left section shows how many total invitations have been sent and how many remain, so you always know your outreach capacity at a glance. Now, let's head over to the test library. Here you'll find over 400+ expert-crafted assessments covering technical, cognitive, and soft skills across different job roles. Whether you're hiring a software engineer, an analyst, or a customer support role, TestnHire has a ready-to-use test for you. In the top right corner, you'll see the option to create a new test. Click it, and a pop-up appears. Here, simply give your test a name, assign the job role, select the language, and choose the work arrangement: hybrid, on-site, or remote. Once that's done, hit Create. Next, you'll see recommended tests from TestnHire, along with other official assessments from the platform. To include a test in your assessment, just click the Add icon. Want to know more before adding? Click View Test to see the full description and the exact skills it covers. You can select up to 5 tests at once, making it easy to create a comprehensive assessment tailored to your hiring needs. For official questions, you can easily narrow down your search. Filter by level, question type, test type, or even time per question. Or if you know exactly what you're looking for, simply use the search bar to find it instantly. Once your selected tests are in place, it's time to make the assessment truly yours by adding custom questions. You can include up to 4 personalized questions per assessment, choosing from flexible formats like video for video responses, essay for written content, MCQs, or file uploads, whichever best measures the skills you want to evaluate. Setting up a question is simple. Assign a completion time, type your question on the left, and for MCQs, add options on the right, making sure at least one is correct. To maintain fairness, you can toggle shuffle answers so options appear in a different order for each candidate. Additionally, you can include a reviewer note to give your hiring team extra context on why the question matters, using the form provided below. Every custom question you create is automatically saved in your library, making it easy to reuse in future assessments. Now it's time to review and fine-tune your assessment before sharing it with candidates. Start by adding a qualifying question. This helps filter out candidates who don't meet your minimum requirements right at the beginning, saving time and effort. Next, personalize your assessment to reflect your company's branding. You can add intro and outro videos, include job-specific details, or any messaging that provides candidates with context about the role and your organization. This ensures a professional and branded experience for every participant. To maintain integrity, TestnHire offers powerful anti-cheating measures. You can enable screen capture every second and live webcam monitoring to ensure candidates complete the assessment fairly. Additionally, you can set an expiry date for the assessment or select Never Expire if you want it to remain accessible indefinitely. Once everything looks perfect, simply click Finish and your assessment is ready to be shared with candidates. This comprehensive review ensures that every assessment is fair, secure, and fully tailored to your hiring needs. Once your assessment is ready, you have 3 sharing options. First, share by email. Simply enter the candidate's email address to send it individually. Second, you can invite in bulk by uploading a CSV file with up to 1,200 email addresses at once, making it easy to reach large candidate pools quickly. Finally, you can generate a public sharing link. Just toggle the Active Source option to enable the link and share it directly in your job postings or on your website for easy access. Once your test is live, navigate to the My Assessments tab in the left-hand menu. This is where you can see all your created assessments in one place, along with detailed progress and status updates for each. To help you manage them efficiently, assessments are organized into 3 categories: active, tests that have already been shared with candidates; inactive, tests that are created but not yet shared; archived, tests that are no longer in use. Here on the Assessments table, you get a clear, at-a-glance view of all your created tests. Each row shows the test name and its creation date, so you can easily track when each assessment was added. The table also provides detailed candidate statistics for each test, including how many have started, completed, not started, or been disqualified. This helps you quickly identify engagement levels and spot any tests where candidates may be dropping off. By highlighting these metrics, the table allows you to monitor candidate progress efficiently, prioritize follow-ups, and make data-driven decisions for your recruitment process, all from one centralized view. You can also filter assessments by timeline to review performance during a specific period, making it easy to track results and trends. For each assessment, the 3-dot menu on the right gives you quick access to options like Edit, Duplicate, Manage Access, Delete, Set Deadlines, or Send Invites. Clicking on Details lets you dive deeper, review individual test statistics, see how candidates performed on each question, and even adjust the weightage of questions according to your preferences. This ensures you have complete control over how each assessment evaluates candidate skills. Now, let's dive into the Candidates tab, where you get powerful reporting and insights. Here you can filter candidates by status, shortlisted, hired, rejected, or even by specific test names. The built-in search bar makes it easy to quickly find a particular candidate. Clicking on View Report opens a detailed performance breakdown, including total scores, skill strengths, time spent, and accuracy. You'll also see important integrity signals such as the candidate's device, location, webcam activity, and session or screen recordings, helping ensure the assessment was completed fairly. Additionally, you can self-rate candidates based on their performance using remarks and a star rating system, giving your team extra context for decision-making. Now, let's head over to the Settings page. It works just like you'd expect. Simple, intuitive, and familiar. Here, you can edit your personal information, update company details, and manage your entire team. Adding new members or changing their roles takes just a few clicks. You can also review your subscription plan, explore upgrade options as your needs grow, and even manage integrations to connect TestnHire seamlessly with your existing tools. And that's a complete walkthrough of TestnHire. From creating and customizing assessments to sharing them, tracking performance, and gaining detailed insights on your candidates.